All right, hello Dayton. So for this video lesson, we're going to go over the guitar first, and then we'll be on drums in a little bit. So to start off, let's do a alternate picking right here. We'll just go on the 6th string up here, the thickest one. We'll go down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you can do that as much as you want. That'll just help you practice that alternate picking motion. And if you need help with just the up picks, you can just do ups or downs. Remember to place this part, just rest that on the guitar up here. So you have an anchor point, you know where you're at when you're picking, because if you're all floating around, you could be on this position, you don't know where you are. So just right here, you know exactly where you are, and it's that small wrist movement down and up. And you don't want to, remember, you don't want to scoop up like you did at the beginning, and then you got better at that by doing the wrist motion. So just keep doing that, down, up, down, up. You can do that while you're watching a video, or just sit there and just go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The next thing you can do also is to pair that alternate picking up with your fingers. You can, let's go pointer on the 9th fret right here. We're gonna go down, up, down, up. So the pointer is gonna be down on the 9th fret. Now we're gonna put our middle finger, 10th fret, and that'll be an up. Now the ring finger is gonna be a down, and then pinky is gonna be up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you can get faster and faster with that. And just keep going. Just make sure you get a clean down, up, down, up. You can also mix and match some in there, so you can go down, up, down. So that's pointer, middle, pointer. Down, up, down. Now ring finger. That would be an up, down. Ring to pointer. You're just cycling through the fingers, so the pattern is going to be pointer, middle, pointer, ring, pointer, pinky, pointer, ring, pointer, middle, pointer. And that's just a constant down, up, down, up. So you can start with one, down, next finger, up, back to pointer, down, next finger, up, back to pointer, down, next finger, up, back to pointer, down, and just keep that pattern going. So that's a few things you can do right there. Now we'll get on to the tab. So the should I stay or should I go? You're getting really good at that, switching from that easy version of the D power chord right here. And that's right here. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. So right here, you remember so these are the strings, the 6 strings. The top one is the 1st string, or the thinnest one. And then the bottom tab here, the bottom line on the tab, that's the 6th string, or the thickest one right there. So right here, we are on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. So that's the 2nd and 3rd strings right there. And those numbers, that's the frets. So 1, 2, 3. You know that position, pointer and middle. 1, 2, 3. Yep. And now we go over to the 3 and 2 on the 6th and 5th string. The 3rd fret, 2nd fret. Remember the middle finger's on top on this one, and you do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the easy G chord right there. And then back to the easy D chord for 1. So that full section right there. After that first one, we do the mutes, 3 of them. Just remember 3. Lightly lay your hand on it. 1, 2, 3. So that full pattern right there. One more time with that one. So 3, 4, and then 1, 3 mutes. Next one, you remember? We can start with the D chord again, the pointer on top, on the 3rd and 2nd strings. The 5, 8, 5th fret to the 8th fret. You can either hammer on, which, with your pinky, just strike the string without strumming. So I'm going to strum the 5th fret, and then hit that 8th fret with the pinky right there. Or you can strum both of them. Down, up. That's the easiest right there. Down, up. And then immediately mute it. Let's see. And then the next one, we go back to the... And remember, right after that last one, the D chord, you do a little karate chop on the strings to mute it. And that's right here. And just the quick recap. You do that pattern, and then the mutes, 3 mutes. Pattern again, and then the 5th fret to the 8th fret. And now we're back on the easy D to easy G, and then 1 easy D chord 4 times right here. So it'd be bum, 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 bum. And then another one. Bum, 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 bum. Third one. Bum. Last one. Now we get to this next part. So this is new right here. We do the easy G chord to a F power chord, and then back to the easy G power or easy G chord. So 3 easy Gs, power chord on the F power chord 4 times, and then an easy G once. And how we play that. So that's the 3-2 with the middle finger on top on the 6th and 5th string up here. 1, 2, 3. Now the power chord right here. Do that 1, 3. So it's going to look like this. Pointer on the 1st fret of the 6th string. 5th string right here. Ring finger or pinky. It would be easier if you use your pinky, because that's a pretty big stretch from that 1st to the 3rd fret right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just strumming the 6th and 5th string right here, the top 2. So this whole section right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So it's the same like that pattern, but now we do the 3-2 to the 1, 3 power chord, back to the 3-2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So you see that little transition right there? And I use my middle pointer for that 3-2. That power chord, the 1, 3. So 1st fret on the 6th string. And then 3rd fret right here on the 5th string. Pointer pinky or pointer ring. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. A little bit slower. 1, 2, 3. Change to the 1, 3 power chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the 3, 2. 1. And that's this line right here. That measure. And then right after that, we go back to the original easy G or easy D to easy G chord and back to the D right here. After that one, here at 35 seconds, we get a new little power chord right here. All that is, if you see that, it's open and the 2nd fret. So all you do is just fret on the 2nd fret of the 4th string right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2nd fret. And then you strum just those 2 strings for now. The 5th and the 4th string. So open 5th string, 2nd fret on the 4th string. So it's right here, just these 2 right here. It'll sound like that. Just make sure you're just strumming those two. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's, you'll just do, just to simplify it, we'll just do 8 of those right there at 35 seconds. Just 1, 2. And just make sure to mute that last one. Remember, just karate chop those strings. Just a small movement down, karate chop. After that, so you can see we go back to the original. Let me zoom in just a little bit more right there. So it's the same easy D, easy G, easy D right here. And then we just start repeating those two for a while. But that's the main transitions in that intro, the first 40 seconds of the song right there. And now let me just go through it all just one more time. So I'll call it out. We have the D pattern, D, G, D up here, right here. Easy D chord, easy G chord, easy D chord. Here we go. Just one more time, we'll do that. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We'll get the 3 mutes now. Next one. Back to that easy D chord, easy G chord, easy D chord, and then the 5 to the 8th fret. 5th to the 8th. Here we go again. 3, 2, 1. 5, 8. And now we repeat the same pattern 4 times, just the chords without any of the mute to the 5, 8. So it's 4 times. 3, 2, 1. Mute that after that last chord. Here we go again. 3, 2, 1. Oops. Here we go again. 3, 2, 1. Last one. And now he changes right here at 26 seconds, the easy G to the power chord 1, 3 on the 6th and 5th string, and then back to the 3, 2 on the 6th and 5th string. So here we go. I'll play it twice, but he only plays it once. So first time slow, here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We'll just play that one more time just to get that practice in. 3, 2, 1. After that, we go back to the easy D, easy G, easy D chord. And have the new A power chord right here. Open on the 5th string, 2nd fret on the 4th string. 8 times. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the easy D, easy G, easy D chord. 3, 2, 1, go. And that's pretty much the majority of the song, that they just keep going through those chords, and then the chorus, it's sped up just a little bit, but it's pretty much the same chords there. So if you can get those transitions between the easy G, easy D, the right here, or those 4, the F5 power chord, the 1, 3 on the 6th and 5th string, and that's right here. 1, 1st fret, 6th string, 3rd fret on the 5th string. And then also this new one, the 0, 2. Open on the 5th string, 2nd fret on the 4th string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And really mute that 8th one. So just go through those chords. Just get that transition good. So that easy D chord, easy G chord, 1, 3 power chord, 0, 2 power chord. Just keep going through that. And then we'll go back over this next week, and I'll have more of this tabbed out just in case you've already mastered that. So have fun practicing that, and now we'll get to the drums.
All right, hello Dayton. So for this video lesson on the drums, we're going to recap some of the things we did last time. So to start off, let's get the snare warm up. We'll go about, the stick will come back to about chest level. It's like medium power. We're not going like cranking on the power like this, or too low because it's closer to the drum head right there. We're kind of in the middle of that. Watch your stick height of both sticks. Make sure it's the same distance from the snare head, and then also the same power. You don't want the left to like go way down here while the right hand's going up here, because then it won't be as equal. It'll be harder to keep those equal. So if you're doing like this, try to shorten that right hand and then bring that left hand up with the rebound. You can also add that kick like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're going right, left, it'll always be on the right hand. Right, left, right, because it's an odd number right there. So you can keep that going for a little bit. Just and then with that snare warm up, that you can also match your kicks to that. And if you have a double pedal, you can go right, left, and pair that with match that with your hands. And as you get faster and faster, you'll get closer to the snare head right here. So instead of up here, you go down here to match your feet. To match your feet, for this faster motion, your heel will be up in the air and it'll be just your ankle. And you could practice that by bringing your foot on like the ground right here. Yep. And then lifting your leg off the floor right here. So you can see in the bottom left camera. And then you just tap the ground just like that. And that's just using the ankle. And then when you go back on the pedal, you can do that. Or with the left foot, just do the same thing. And then just remember with your hands, it's just that small wrist movement. Okay, next thing we'll do. So we just did this. This is the snare warm-up. So the snare's in between the third and fourth line. Over here, we have that simple, the basic beat right here. This one, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick on 1, snare on 3. So, and the hi-hat, it's just constantly going. So keep that hi-hat going with the right hand. Or if you want to play open hand, you would do it with the left. So it would be, or cross hand right here. 1. Okay, so just keep that beat going because you're going to need that for the should I stay or should I go drum beat that we've been trying to get at. Next thing, we'll recap the muting. If you remember, you can strike the cymbal and with your left hand, mute it. So keep the stick, hold that in between your pinky and your ring finger. And then with these three, your thumb, pointer, and middle, grab the cymbal. You can also do a one-handed grab. And to do that, you would strike it down here. See if you can see that. And then you roll up. You roll up to grab it. with your pointer, middle, and thumb. You got to make sure that you really open up your fingers to grab it, because you don't want the edge of that symbol to go in between your nail and your skin right there. Two-handed, one-handed. And then if you remember the intro of Master of Puppets right here. So we go 1 mute, and then 3 hits, another mute. And you pair the kick with all those cymbal hits. And that's just adding another cymbal right there for extra effect. Okay, so now we'll go back to recapping the Should I Stay or Should I Go beat. So if you remember at the beginning, right here with the guitar chords, it's the down, the mutes, 3 of those. Then we go da 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 da, the 5/8. On this one, right after that 5/8, this is the one the drums come in on, and specifically this third easy G chord right here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and that's where a flam goes in. If you remember a flam, the left hand right after the right hand, or if you're doing it the other way, the right hand right after the left. So it'll be like about there, but not at the same time, or else that would happen. It's like an extra powerful snare hit. So right there, so it's after the 5/8, it goes 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1. On that 1, you do the kick with the crash. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1. And then you go into the beat. And this is right here, so you can see, yeah, right here I have it. Snare flam hits on the third G chord. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1. And then right here, crash hits on the last C chord, so that's that 1 at the end. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1. And now the beat is right here. After that kick with the crash, closed hi-hat. So we go 1 2 3 is the closed hi-hat with the snare. So we have kick with the crash, hi-hat closed, 2, snare with the closed hi-hat, 3. After that, so we are up to here right now, so that this X right here, that bolded X, that's a crash. Kick is in between the first and second line. This is the closed hi-hat with the snare. Snare is in between the third and fourth line. So 1 2 3. After that, we have the closed hi-hat with a kick and another closed hi-hat with the kick. 1 2 3 4 5. And the way we've been breaking this one down is the first 4. 1 2 3 4. The next 4, it's 1 2 3 4. So that's the basic beat that we've been doing, just closed hi-hat. So kick on 1, snare on 3 on the part 2 of that pattern. Kick, snare, 1 2 3 4. So that's the ending of that pattern. The beginning, it's the, at the start, it's the crash with the kick, 1 2 3 4. Next part, 1 2 3 4. So the only difference is that kick on 4 on part 1 of this pattern. Part 2, there's no kick on 4. And then after you do one measure of that, So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after this, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After one of those, then you do this pattern. It's the same exact pattern. The only thing is you don't do another crash. And that goes on from 12 seconds in the song to 37 seconds in the song. All you do, you just stay on this closed hi-hat. So all it is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remember, kick is on beat 1, 4, and 5. The snare is on 3 and 7. And then the hi-hat, it's just constantly going. Okay, and that's just for like 25 seconds of the song that beat goes on. So you want to make sure you get this one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll go from the beginning right here, where the flam starts, that first measure with the crash, and then the next part without the crash, just the closed hi-hat. So the intro, da 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 da, mute, 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 da 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 da, 5/8, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, and now you just stay on the close hi-hat. And that beat continues on for a while. So that's what the intro will sound like. And slowly, we'll get that one slowly. So we'll just start after the 5/8, and it's 1 2 3 1 2 flam. 1 2 3 1 2 3, and on that second 3, that's the flam. So here we go with that one. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. And you just keep that hi-hat pattern going for a while. And then that's the majority of the song there. So we pretty much got all the chords for the guitar. And now we just need to get this beat, get a little bit faster with the guitar chords, changing those, and then we'll almost have the full song. So I'll play this one more time slowly so you can get these beats down and then be on our way. So here we go. So just remember 1 2 3 1 2 flam, and then 4 1. 1 2 3 1 2 4 1. 1 2 3 1 2 4. 1 2 3 1 2 flam 4 1. All right, here we go again. This is it. I'll do the beats. Here we go. 3 2 1 5/8. 1 2 3 1 2 4 1. And you just keep this beat going. Just keep that beat going for the 25 seconds. And then, yeah, we'll get this one next time. Hopefully we can get that one up to speed fairly quickly so we can get this full song going. So have fun practicing that, and see you next week.